Ay! Gwapo nito. Bagong gupit. Yelok yang. Ang gwapo mo. Ang gwapo-gwapo nito. Yelok masarap. You're very masarap. Gwapo. Bagong gupit. Tala siya ng holes. What's this? Tasty. Oh. Have you tried it? It looks familiar to me. Parang ang sarap. Guapo. I can't get over. You look young, Baba. No, give me the Lipton. I'll drink this later. But I'm gonna drink my chocolate juice. What do you got for dinner?
Chips, roast pork.
Roast pork?
Yeah, I want to roast pork.
Oh my god. Oh, this is expensive.
Yeah, $20. That's my Bible.
Shit.
And some veggie gravy.
Roast pork. Ang mahal. Ang mahal na to, Bob. Oh.
Huh?
Expensive. Sarap yan ang aming dinner tonight. Ang gwapo-gwapo. You're masarap more than this pork.
Thank you, Robbie.
Gwapo nito.
Quick. It was very quick.
Tuyok yan.
You ripped me into it.
You like that?
I'm going to go back on my tablets tomorrow.
Yeah, kasi oh.
I'm going to go back on my tablets tomorrow.
Okay.
Oh.
I like it. I like it.
Yeah.
Gwapo nito.
Okay, what about?
Yeah, but you need to trim your beard, but it's still gwapo. So, di ko na pa napapalitan yung dress ko. Ito pa din yun. Kasi pinagtutulog ko lang naman siya. Hindi naman siya dirty. Hindi naman ako lumalabas. So, kung yung nakita nyo sa aking video, na i-upload, yun pa rin yun. That's our dinner. Look at that. We got chibis. And then chibis and roast pork.
And vegetables.
And vegetables. And we have gravy there. That's yummy. And that's the veggies. Veggies. Cauliflower and broccoli. Okay. We gotta cut it. Look at that. That's really juicy. Half lang kakainin namin for tonight and then half for tomorrow night. That's yum. Look at that. It's yummy. That looks juicy. Juicy. Nabili lang yan eh. Daddy sa Kohl's. Yeah, that will be enough for us for tonight. And give me skin, Daddy. I like skin. Of course you like that too. Ah, you drop it. That's fine. Yup, skin. Yum. Thank you, Bob. Then gravy.
For tomorrow?
Yep. And then gravy. That's yum. That's the gravy. It's yummy.
Where would you like yours?
Everywhere. Look at that. That's yummy. Thank you, my love.
Want more gravy?
Yep. Yay. Thank you. Look how that's chibis, roast pork, and then the veggies. That's yummy. That's yummy. Thank you, Baba. Kakabit na ni Baba yung aming CCTV. You enjoying that? Kakabit lang niya dyan. Tapos, nandun yung saksakan sa baba. Tapos, para try na namin siya later. Kinabit lang doon sa frame. Doon niya in-attach. Kasi hindi kami pwedeng magbutas ng dingding.
Ding.
Tadaan! Nilipat yung CCTV from there up to there kasi hindi makita yung mga papasok sa pintuan. Hindi ma-reach ng camera. So, nilipat niya dyan. So, tingnan niyo nangyari sa frame. Nabutas. Ginamit niya. So, ayan. Ayan na, in-upside down na namin. Hindi malang gawin. Para kita lahat hanggang dito. Hanggang kusina, hanggang dito sa sala. So, ayan siya. Naayos din sa wakas. Nakatago yung cable wire kasi ayun yung nakalabas yung cable wire. You did a good job, Bubba. Okay, all the short. And all the short, short lang, shirt. Kasi yung aking mahiwagang bag, may ay pupunta sa Charleston kami ang manonood ng movie. Haba na ng buho ko. Nanonood kami ng movie. Nag-blush lang ako ng very very light. Tapos lipstick na may nalagpas-lagpas. Tayo ko lang si Baba. Kami ay aalis na. Tayo ko lang gamit ko sa bag. Hindi ko na dadalhin yung aking gimbal kasi maliit yung bag na dala ko, pero let's see kung gusto ko. Anyway, manonood lang kami ng sine tapos early dinner or ano lang. Tignan natin ano ginagawa ni Baba sa labas. Wait lang. Naisa namin yung CCTV namin. Nanang kami iintindihin. Maaga ako gumaya kasi siya, mabilis na siya gumayak. Ako matagal. Matagal ako gumayak siya, mabilis. Ay, ala akong hikaw. Hihikaw ako. Wait there. Maghihikaw ako. Wala akong hikaw. Taran! Ano tawag dito? Dolce? Dolce Gusto. Kasi bumili kami ng what do you call that?
Coffee pod machine?
No, yeah, coffee machine. I don't know.
Coffee espresso machine maker.
Yeah. Papakita ko sa inyo later. Bumili kami ng KitKat. Yeah, 16 pieces. Andito kami ngayon sa manonood kami ng movie, pero mamaya pa yung movie. Wala pa kami lunch.
Cappuccino.
Oh, macchiato.
The macchiatos.
How many pieces is that? 12. How much is this? 20? 20 bucks?
Yeah.
For
No, 11. $11.
I like the macchiato.
What is a what?
I can work here. Pero wala pa ako resume.
A mocha.
Macchiato.
That was like nice.
Caramel macchiato, Baba. I like it. Nagtitingin siya sa codes ng pods. Coffee pods. Coffee pods.
$11.
Yeah, I know. But this one is yum yum. KitKat. Papakita ko sa inyo pag uwi namin mamaya yung aming machine. How much we bought the machine? $89. Nakaka-guilty. Kasi mahal. Pero matagal ko nang gustong gusto yun. Nasa Pilipinas pa ako gustong gusto ko na yun. Ang kakainin namin lunch ay Guzmani Gomez. I like the burrito bowl. Ayoko ng burrito wrap kasi wala, hindi ko siya makagat. Malaki. Maliit ang bibig ko.
Well, that was $10 actually for that.
Okay, I'm excited to use that.
Usable pod.
Yeah, so I can put my coffee, right?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, I can put my diet coffee. How much is it? $1?
43 from Temu.
Yeah. Coles?
Fully usable.
Yeah?
Temu.
Okay. Aga pa. Isang oras pa yung aming hintayin. Hindi ko alam kung doon kami kakain sa loob ng sine or babaunin namin yung pagkain doon. Not too busy today because it's Monday. No students. I mean, there is. There's students but not much as like weekends or Fridays. Ang iikli ng mga paldo dito ng mga uniforme ng mga bata. Oh, ikli. Wala ako masyadong ma-video. Mamaya na lang ulit. Pagka bumili na kami ng food. Taste natin. That's my burrito bowl. Beef. Is it beef? With guacamole. Yeah. That's from Guzman y Gomez. That's yum yum. It smells so good, Daddy. Yan ay nabili namin coffee machine. Dolce Gusto. Ayan na siya. Tinanggal na sa box ni Baba. Nilagyan niya ng tubig. Tapos ito yung nabili namin. Dito siya ilalagay, which is ito. Ayan na siya. Ayan. Ganyan ang itsura niya. Ayan. Ganyan na siya. Ayan na siya. Na-rinse na yan. Tapos, ayan. So, you're gonna stop it once it water clear. Right? Yup.
To the bottom handle, eh?
Okay.
There you go.
Dili aking bagong kapihan. Ginagamay pa namin. Hindi pa namin alam kung paano siya gamitin. Ilalabas ko lang yung aming mga salamin. Kasi nanood kami ng sine na hindi naman masyadong maganda yung sine. Pero okay na rin. Natapunan pa ako ng popcorn. Naligo ko ng popcorn. He showered me a popcorn. Sa loob ng sinehan. Tumapon sa akin yung buong popcorn. Yung kalahati ng popcorn sa buong katawan ko. But, yeah, it's so good. That's how you're gonna do it. Try until you gamay. Hindi pa na masyadong gamay. Matabang kasi nagagawa niya. Nakakadalawa na siya. Pangatlo niya na yan.
Oh, it pierces it up there.
Yeah. So, dapat kalahati lang. Kasi KitKat yung flavor. Wala yung yung caramel macchiato. Walang ganun. Anyway, yung panahon, nung umalis kami dito, medyo malamig na. Kaya pa yun ang katawang ko. Parang nag-uulan lang, gano'n. So, yun, nung paglabas namin ng sinihan, grabe, akala mo winter. Nanginginig ako. Masakit sa buto yung lamig. Nanginginig ako sa ginaw. Kaya nga naka-short lang ako, tsaka t-shirt eh. Dahil akala ko, ganun lang yung panahon. Paglabas namin ng sinihan, tsaka ng mall, ganun na siya. Sobrang lamig. Tingnan natin kung ano kalalabasan. Yep, half. Okay. You try it.
I'm gonna have to just take this drip tray out every now and then.
I don't know. Try natin kung ano lasa. Pero yun nga, sobrang lamig. Pero dito sa loob ng bahay, hindi naman. Sa labas, sobra. Nakakasakit ng butong. Against the light kasi ako eh. Anong oras na ba? Magsasabi na dito, maliwanag pa ako. Tingnan nyo. Pagod ako. Kailangan ko minom maraming tubig. At minom ako ng maraming soda. Tingnan natin ano kalalabasan. Kung masarap sa kanya. Siya pumili ng flavor niyan. What?
Yeah, it's more stronger. Hot.
Really?
I'm down with it.
Yeah. Okay na.
That's cool, huh?
Yeah, I like it. I do like it.
So yeah, just when you want to put...
Yeah, there. Because I really want to put it in there, but I don't know. Maybe...
It turns itself off. That's in the off position there.
Yeah. What are we gonna do?
And then you can just fill that up.
Okay.
And put this bit in first. And it'll just sit in there. It'll just turns itself off. So it's green now. Turns itself off. So when you want to make a Kit Kat
Yeah.
in the morning, just open it up, pull the pod shut. It'll turn green, then cut, and then hot.
Okay. Tapusin ko na dito yung aking video. Kakabit na lang ni Baba yung SD card doon sa CCTV na binili niya. Kakabit niya. Tapusin ko natin dito para makapag-edit ako. So, like nyo tong video ko and see you on my next one. Bye-bye!